Hey guys, welcome back. Here in Auckland right now, doing a quick walk around the harbor. For the next 10 days, we'll be exploring both the North and South Island. We'll be going to Waiheke Island tomorrow. Following that, we'll be heading down to Hobbiton to check out the movie set and a bit of Rotorua as well. After that, we're flying down to Queenstown to check out the town there and some of the sights, Wanaka and Mount Cook. Well, unfortunately, after walking around the city for a bit, we drove over to a couple of the lookouts. As you can probably see in the video, it's raining quite hard. But yeah, this is Mount Eden. Good morning, it's day 2 here in New Zealand. Kind of early start today. We drove over here to Half Moon Bay and now we're about to hop on the ferry over to Waiheke Island. The island's known for its vineyards and beaches, and thankfully we've got some blue skies today. Alright, we had an early start this morning and drove from Auckland down here to Rotorua. Right now we're over here at Currao Park and yeah, checking out one of the thermal lakes here. The sign says it's over 100 degrees Celsius. driving, we have arrived at the Hobbiton Movie Set. About to go on a tour of the Shire.